We're out here watching squirrels come and eat at the bird feeder. And as you see, there's a statue of a squirrel at the bird feeder. Sometimes they jump on the statue of the squirrel to get up to the seed and knock him down. And there's a squirrel approaching over by the shed. Over by the bird feeder. He's behind the bird feeder now, and the statue. Here comes another squirrel. He's back by the second shed, but he's rapidly approaching. Here he is. Oh, they don't like each other. Don't eat my seed. Well, it looks like this boy's found something to eat. And here come some birds. After all, it is a bird feeder. Here is yet another squirrel arriving on the scene. That makes 3. Apparently they're finding food, and that's why they're not jumping up yet. There we go. He jumped up without the aid of the squirrel. Oh, what a guy. He didn't even jump onto the statue. Pretty graceful. Pretty graceful. Now he can eat all of the good seed that was intended for the birds. Here's another squirrel arriving. This is 4 squirrels out here. It was a good time to bring out the old camera. And there they go. There they all go. The end.